welcome to the channel. If you're trying to make an AI generated video content and you are searching for a free tool that lets you generate unlimited videos without watermark, then this video is for you. As AI tools are becoming advanced day by day, they are also becoming expensive. There are dozens of AI video generators claiming to be free right now, while they are not. I tested the real free one and here is my pick for beginners. Meta's brand new Vibes.ai, as it is completely free right now. Let's go through it fast, then I'll show you exactly how to use it step by step and avoid watermark. So we'll search Vibes AI on Google and you'll see this Vibes.ai. You have to open this and you have to press continue. Then you can log in. You can log in through your Meta account or use mobile number or email instead. So we'll just set it up. We'll use email. Then we just have to put in the code. Now the account is ready. You can press here on get started or you can just press create new. We'll just press create get started. Okay, so in this platform, you have option of video, you have option of image generator, and you have a option of lip sync as well as ingredients. You can uh, put in your character, your style, and your scene. And we'll head towards the image section. So in this image section, we'll give it a prompt. And in the advanced settings, there are no advanced setting right now, and there is no option for the 9:16 and the 16:9 ratio. So it will just generate in a short style like this style video. So it always generates 4 pictures and it is quite fast. So here it has generated 4 images. So we can check and choose which one do we like. Okay, so we like this one, and you can see you can add voice over here and add music as well. And you have an option of auto animate, while we can also animate it manually using our prompt that I'll just paste here and I'll click gen animate. So here you can see the animation is completed. You can play this animation and see it's really nice. Downfall of this is if you download it from here, you can see that we have got a watermark. So instead what we will do is we'll just right click on this video and we can open this video in new tab as well, and we can save video as, and then the watermark will be removed. Also, if we press auto animate, it will animate it automatically according to the prompt. So we'll try this as well. You see it has generated quite fast as it is a free version, and still you don't have to wait in the queue. So see, it has auto animated it, and we can similarly download this as well using just right click and save video as and dedicated folder. And see, you won't have a watermark either. Saving like this, you will not have the watermark, but if you download it directly from here, it will get the Meta AI watermark on the video. So that's a loophole. So for the 16:9 ratio, as this platform doesn't offer 16:9 ratio directly, so you just have to come here and upload media directly from your PC or laptop. And once you have uploaded it, then you can go towards the start and end frame and there add the start frame. After adding it, You can give it a prompt that car is moving and it will generate it accordingly. And you have also have the option for the 480p and the 720p resolution. By doing this, it will generate 4 videos and you can select one of whichever you like. You see, it's quite fast and you can see, go and play one of them. Okay, so this was the complete tutorial for Vibes AI from Meta. They also have a mobile application available on both Android and iOS. It is completely free right now and I'll keep you updated if it ever changes its policies. Subscribe if you want more of this AI tools breakdown.